Ready to transform LinkedIn from a social media platform into your personal lead generation goldmine? First, let's unlock Sales Navigator's advanced search. Click into the search bar and target your ideal customer by using filters like industry, location, company size, and even keywords in their profile summary. This ensures you're only seeing the most relevant prospects. Dive deeper by layering filters such as job title and years in current position. This will help you narrow your leads to find the perfect people you want to talk to. Time for outreach. Craft personalized connection. Requests that speak directly to their needs and interests. Mention something specific you learned from their profile or recent activity to show you've done your homework. Don't just sell. Offer value. Share relevant articles, insights, or solutions related to their industry or challenges. Position yourself as a helpful resource, not just a salesperson. Stay organized by using Sales Navigator's ad lists to segment your prospects. Track their activity, like posts and shares, to identify opportunities for timely engagement and follow-up. Remember, LinkedIn is about building relationships. Nurture your connections with consistent engagement, helpful content, and genuine interest. This approach turns prospects into loyal customers. Maximize your lead generation efforts with strategic LinkedIn utilization. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Sales Navigator tips.